Good morning. It is stupid o'clock in the morning here in North Carolina, and today I'm going to try and redeem myself by photographing this tree in morning light. So come along and enjoy this adventure. Well, I stepped out of my comfort zone a little bit more, and I had a zine published here. This is a 32-page book, full color book of hummingbirds of the Americas. This is photographs that I have taken of hummingbirds here in North America, Central America, and South America, and these are something I am very proud of. So if you're interested in buying this, it's $25. There's a link below that includes free shipping. Well, you can't see it on this, but first light is just starting to come up here. I am shooting with my Canon 24-105 lens here. I'm shooting at f11. I think that's going to be the best f-stop for this. ISO 100. Shutter speed is going to be what it is. It's going to be in the 20s to 30 second range there. And what the image is I'm going to have the tree in the center overlapping to the left side of it. And it's going to be this winter tree with no leaves on it. It's going to be a bleak image here. It's almost going to be black in the image here. And behind it, hopefully the sunrise will come up behind it, almost as if hope is coming up from behind it and illuminating the backside of the tree, giving us like hope is coming up behind all this bleakness that winter brings here in North Carolina here. So the only thing I have to do now is wait for sunrise. Well, the light is just starting to come through the skies. I got this yellow tinge through the clouds here. It's right behind the clouds here. So I have these dark clouds with this yellow light come by. I still don't have the color I want. I still have the tree where I am, but I am having a little bit of a problem. I don't know if you can hear it, but the wind is blowing across this field like a madman, and it's just making that tree flail all over the place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase my ISO so that I get a shutter speed of less than a second. I want to catch this pale light here, but I don't want the tree to be flailing all over. It would be just a huge distraction in the image here. So if this image is any good, here it is. Well, the wind is howling like there's no tomorrow here. It's just getting worse and worse and worse here. But the sun is starting to pop off here. I'm getting the light I want. I am shooting at ISO 400, f11. That's giving me a shutter speed of 1/13 of a second. So if this image is any good, here it is. tell you, I almost didn't come out this morning. I was not feeling that well, and I'm just tired and kind of frustrated with my photography lately, but I am so glad I came out. I mean, this sunlight was exactly what I was hoping I would get, and I am very, very excited about it. And I'm hoping the images came out. You already know if they came out, but I am very, very excited. I mean, it's just revitalized my photography. I had a bunch of woodcocks flying behind me. I was really hoping to see a short-eared owl or something out here. We have 2 or 3 of them that are flying around here, but I didn't see any this morning. But it was incredible. But this wind is just brutal. I am freezing cold. I want to thank you for watching. If you got anything out of this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel because that really helps us in the YouTube world. Become Patreon supporter. Your support allows us to keep doing this. My name is Sean Leahy, and thank you for watching.